Hello dear students, good morning everyone. This is the fourth lecture related to class 10th physics. First chapter, that is what? Reflection of light. And in today's lecture we will discuss about the concept of formation of image by plane mirror and how it appears. Just see formation of image by plane mirror. Suppose a point object is held in front of plane mirror. You can take extended object also, no matter. In any case, you can draw the image formation. This is the plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. And plane mirror, I explained earlier how to construct a plane mirror. A glass sheet, one side silver coated, and then after red painted, red lead, a chemical substance. When you just paint it outside over the silver coating, then the plane mirror is prepared. And here plane mirror em dash, and a point object is held. Point object. This is object O. Then always remember one thing: during the formation of image, we have to take what? At least two rays. At least two rays that is coming from object. Here a point object, and we are taking two rays, just like this one, O A, and O B. Two rays taken, and then you have to use the concept of laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. Then this one ray reflect from plane mirror according to laws of reflection, same as this one ray also reflect in the same case according to laws of reflection. Then when we proceed these two rays, in back side, then they meet at a common point. Just like in this way. Let's see. In this way. Clear? This is object and this one is what? Image. I. In the same way, you can also construct the image formation case for an extended object, that is an object having some length. Clear? So here when we draw the perpendicular, then angle of incidence must be equal to angle of reflection. I is equal to R. At this place also I is equal to R. So the distance of this object O from this plane mirror must be equal to the distance of this image from plane mirror. It means when we just join these two points, then this one OC as O is the object, O is the point object, I is the image. I is the image. Then when we just measure this OC distance and IC distance, then both will be equal. OC that must be equal to IC. Clear? This is the required condition for any image formation by plane mirror. Always remember, whenever any object held in front of plane mirror, then the image of the object lies inside the mirror, and the distance of the image from mirror, that must be equal to the distance of object from mirror, plane mirror. This is the concept of only the plane mirror concept. And in case of spherical mirror, there is unique case for such type of conditions, but in case of plane mirror, there is only one conditions. What? The distance of object always equal to distance of image from plane mirror. Clear? So in this way, the next important concept is what? Just after this image formation case, the next important concept related to plane mirror is what? That is lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. Just note down this one. Very easy. Lateral inversion. And lateral inversion, that is the application of laws of reflection. This is also based on reflection concept. Just see, a mirror is taken the plane mirror. Back side painted portion and front side this is plane mirror. And when an object held in front of plane mirror, suppose you are just standing in front of plane mirror and observe yourself very clearly, then when you just start moving your right hand, then that right hand image appears in the mirror, that is what? Left hand. It means your right hand image that becomes what? In mirror image, that is left hand, and your left hand image appears in the mirror, becomes what? Right hand. This side of change, it means left side of an object appears right side of the image in the mirror, and right side of an object appears left side in the image in mirror. That particular changes of sides changes of sides in the image formation in plane mirror due to the reflection concept, that is defined as what? Lateral inversion. Just see, a simple figure will explain everything about the whole definition concept. Suppose an object is here held, that is what? Written RED, red, in front of plane mirror. Clear? An object is held in front of plane mirror, that is what? Red. Then the image inside the plane mirror will be as like this D, right side, but in the image plane mirror will appear as what? Laterally inverted, and also position becomes shift, here right side, here left side, and then this is the concept of image inside the mirror. This is the object and this is the image in the mirror. And how this formed? Due to reflection. Clear? Let's listen again. When left side of an object becomes right side in image, and right side an object becomes left side in, this is right side becomes left side and left side becomes right side. Clear? This is in mid, so lies in mid. This is the image of this particular object. Writing here this one what? Object. And this one is image in the plane mirror. Clear? Listen again about definition. When left side of an object appears right side in image and right side of an object appears left side in image in the plane mirror, so such type of side changes whenever going on, then this type of phenomena is defined as what? Lateral inversion. And this lateral inversion, that is only on behalf of reflection of light. Clear? So this is very important topic related to your reflection of light concept, and I think this one is the last concept related to plane mirror. And then after this we will discuss about the spherical mirror and the property of spherical mirror and the terms related to spherical mirror and the types and the nature to produce images, and how many cases, what is the rule for image formation, everything we will discuss in next lecture, that is in lecture number 5, 6 and so on. But up to 5 the concept of plane mirror, that is over. And just after this lateral inversion, few uses you have to learn out, just like for see ourselves, plane mirror, that is used to see ourselves. In some cases that the plane mirror adjust in bedroom or in bathroom, anywhere, for seeing ourselves. And plane mirror is also used for taking turn at blind turning points, for taking turn at blind turning points to prevent accidents, and also used in what? Making periscopes. So you will learn all the terms as I explained earlier and today. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.